Welcome back, everybody. Today I am going to be making an Agua Frescas recipe. I'm going to be making cucumber fresh water. This has been requested for quite some time. Today I have some cucumbers to use, so that's what I'm doing. Okay, so for this recipe, I'm going to be using some cucumbers. I've had these for about, honestly, 3 weeks. So on some of them I had to cut out some pieces, but you'll need at least 2 medium to large cucumbers. I am going to reserve 1 chunk for garnish. I also have a lemon that needs to be used. This is a lemon that I used for lemon zest in another recipe, but typically I like to use lime, so use what you've got. I'm also going to be adding sugar to taste. This is about 1/3 cup of sugar. If you just want a fresh water drink without sugar, leave it out. But growing up, we liked it sweet, so that's why I'm going to be adding sugar to taste. Okay, so into my blender cup, I'm going to add my roughly chopped pieces of fresh cucumber that I've peeled. And I'm also going to add a little bit of water to get things going, maybe a cup. Now I'm just going to pass my blended liquefied cucumber into, or pass it through a wire mesh strainer. So in all, I would say that I added the 3 cucumbers with about 7 to 8 cups of water. Maybe 7, I would say 7. This is the part where you add your lime juice. I'm adding fresh squeezed lemon juice. And this is just a small lemon. And I am going to add the entire 1/3 cup of this sugar and give it a taste. If it needs more, I'll add more. It's up to you. And now just give it a mix. And I'm going to add ice, and this is ready to serve. Now I'm going to add thinly sliced fresh cucumber for garnish. And it's not that many. You can also just add it when you serve. Now going in with my ice. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.